Hey guys, Travis here with Alberta Back Road. Well, today's going to be a pretty interesting day. First off, we have to head down about 150 kilometers south of Fort McMurray. We got to make a recovery on young fella. Ended up getting his XJ stuck, and from my understanding, he tried to get a tow truck to get it out, and then the tow truck got stuck. Anyway, long story short, that poor XJ has been sitting there for about 5 days now. Yeah, he reached out to us, so of course, you know, we don't mind helping out a fellow jeepers. So right now I'm gonna go pick up the guys, and I'm actually gonna pick him up as well, bring him down with me. Well, stay tuned, this should be a fun one. So we got Ricky, now we're headed out to meet up with Justin, grab the young fellow that's stuck, and get that Jeep out of the mud. Yeah! So, Jeep we have to recover is over here. The bear we have to worry about is right there. This should be fun. He's kind of eyeballing us. I don't know if he's not too worried about us. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Look at him. The camera.
He's hanging out. Alright, so we're here, and that's where it's stuck. So now we gotta run out that winch and see if we can't pluck this guy out of here.
She's a little swamped. We'll get her.
So hard to get in here, man, with all this mud.
What are you doing down there?
I'm trying to get the hood release out. That way we can pop the hood and get this thing boosted.
This thing is dead?
Dead in the water, man.
A flat tire?
Oh, it's dead, yeah.
I'm about a foot under mud.
We get her by. So we got cable. Let's give it a pull and see what happens.
Oh, we got her open.
There we go.
Well, 4-liter.
Yes, sir. That's true.
All right, get this thing started and get her pulled out of here.
To knock some paint off there.
Yeah, yeah.
No, this one here is just immediate, but give her the gears.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Hang on. You want a headlamp still? Or?
No, it's amazing.
All right.
I'll get my... All right, crank it. No power on the control wire.
Started herself. Negative, positive with the fucking cables. Oh. That's the starter. There we go. Yeah.
Gotta worry about that too.
These your cables? Oh, yes.
Here's what we got here? Yep. Is that enough? Yeah. Get it out of here.
Alright guys, stay tuned here. Getting her hooked up.
shit! Clear the chain! Clear the chain! I'm gonna give him a yank!
Yeah, she's a little stuck here, boys.
This is gonna be fun.
Pretty soft out here. Get yourself a little dug in. We'll just call that planting deep in the ground.
Dead fuck!
Well, hang on, we'll get her here now.
Alright. The only thing on this thing.
Ricky, grab that snatch block and we'll lift there.
You want to hook it onto the other shackle there?
No, I think we'll be okay just like
Okay.
this. I don't want to be too far from him because
Yeah.
we won't like pull her apart, right?
Yeah.
This one?
Sure. Show us what you're doing. Well, we're gonna snatch block this. See if we can get some extra force out of our winches. These guys are really stuck in good.
So far we only moved them about an inch.
If that. But don't fear, the TJ is here.
I haven't been.
Raise me back, boys. Keep going. Just like that, she's out. Check out the ruts.
Dug her in good.
Anything to get traction.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pour off. Careful, watch your fingers. Oh! Yeah, she's a little back. Rim's cracked.
What are we into now?
And right here.
Well, he's not living home on that tire.
A lot of rock in the rotor.
I wouldn't have cared though. I would have driven it back either way. As long as it fit on.
Hey, that's what I want everybody to do. Well, we got him out. Tire, well, somewhat changed. Other tire's aired up. Let's get him to the road. Another bit of bad luck for this poor guy. The banjo bolt and the brake caliper actually backed off from all the mud and whatnot, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up. Problem is we don't have brake fluid, so just gonna try to get him to the road and then he can get a tow truck.
Well, Ricky, we got him out.
Oh, it was quite exciting.
We got the Jeep started.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just needed help. Just a little bit of help from the TJ there.
Oh yeah. You notice
right
how nothing was happening until TJ hooked up?
You betcha.
Yeah.
It was all that snatch block.
Funny.
That's the new yellow top I put in the other day. Plucked that thing in with nothing.